Gonna cook pichay today that I put soup in it. This is the ground meat that I'm gonna put in this one. Onion and garlic. This is my pichay. Pichay is high in vitamin K, rich in vitamin K, high in fiber, good source of calcium and anti-inflammatory properties. You know this garlic, this is good antibiotic. And this one, onion, also good for the body. There's so many vitamins, minerals content with this. That's why instead of buying vitamin, synthetic vitamin, we're gonna get the vitamins in the food that we eat. A healthy food that we eat, especially in the vegetables. Rich in vitamin K, good for the bone. Calcium, good source of calcium, anti-inflammatory. If there is something problem in the inside intestine, and high in fiber, the pichay. That's why it's more healthy, the vegetable, than the meat. I like to eat vegetable more than the meat. My favorite food is vegetables. It's more healthy. This is my green leaves, vegetables, pichay. We call it pichay.